Hi. In case you did not get an IPO allotment, your amount will be unblocked by your bank within 7 to 10 days. This is done once the allotment process is complete. Besides the bank, the unblocking process is also managed by the registrar and transfer agents, which is the RTA. RTAs are SEBI registered entities who are responsible for IPO allotment or processing of refunds. If your amount does not get unblocked even after 10 days, we suggest you to contact either the bank executive or the RTA. You can contact them to know the status of refunds. Follow these steps to find out the contact details of the RTA. First, go to the IPO section on Groww app and select the IPO. Scroll down to top IPO FAQs and then go to who is the registrar of XYZ IPO. Here, you will get the information of the RTA. Google their contact details to get in touch with the RTA.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.